In this video, you will learn how to apply an administrator role to an application user. If you have not already done so, be sure to check out the Adding an Application User video, which covers the instructions to create an Akixi user account before applying them with a user role. Link in the description. An administrator role gives an application user the ability to administrate and manage an Akixi instance. You can select from a collection of pre-configured administration roles, and these can then be customized for even further flexibility with permissions. We are going to create an administrator account for Katie, who works for the Excellence Group and needs access to manage all of its customers on Akixi. Selecting the role option from within the application user account settings, you will find a collection of predefined administrator roles, each with differing permissions to allow users to perform a specific role. We are going to set Katie with the reseller role type. This role is ideal for Katie. It will allow her to manage the users and devices within customer sites, but does not give her the ability to make modifications to customer telephony servers and partitions. The description text of the role will be displayed once selected. Clicking on the Customize Role button, this is where you can view and edit the permissions that are currently allocated. Simply click on a checkbox to add or revoke permissions. We're going to give Katie permission to view central management environments. You will also notice there are two sections, Status and Tools Access and Actions. From here, you can view and edit the user's permissions in the Status and Tools section and view which actions the user will be allowed to perform. Now we are happy that Katie has all the permissions she needs to fulfill a role. We're going to click Submit. As you can see, if any permissions for this user are changed from the initial role, then the user's role type will now say Custom. To revert the user's permissions back to the original role, simply click on the role in the drop-down menu again. In some circumstances, administrators may also require access to the reporting portal. Reporting access can be enabled by choosing a reporting level within the reporting settings. Bear in mind that unlike administrator access, access to the reporting service does incur a charge. In this case, Katie does not require any reporting functionality. When you have finished setting up the administrator role, click the Save button. This has created Katie's new administrator account, and she can now log in to start supporting and managing customers. Check out our other application user video tutorials which guide you through the process of creating, reporting users within Akixi. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.